Welcome to our tutorial on how to generate a report for a specific timeline using the Zeo platform. The bulk report feature allows you to create detailed reports for your desired dates. Let's get started. Log into the dashboard, navigate to the user icon, and select Preferences. In Preferences, find the option for Daily Report and click on it. You will see the bulk report section. Here, you need to provide the following details. Select days. There are two ways to select dates. One way is to choose from the predefined options such as last 3 days, 7 days, 15 days, etc. The other way is to specify the exact dates for which you wish to generate the report. Select Driver. Select the driver for whom you wish to generate the report. This drop-down menu will show all the available drivers. To learn how to add drivers, refer to our tutorial on how to add drivers manually. Click on Get Report. This will download the report directly and send an email with the report as well. You will receive a report with details within the selected timeline. If you wish to customize fields in your report, refer to our tutorial on how to set a specific report pattern to ensure all generated reports contain the selected details. And that's it. You've successfully generated a report for a specific timeline, helping you track and manage your operations effectively. Thanks for watching.